Welcome to the demo of Open Dental's integrations in the imaging module for both Pearl and BetterDiagnostic. Start by enabling the Pearl feature. You'll want to make sure that the Pearl button is located in the imaging module. The button will be located in the top right-hand corner of the imaging module. From there, you'll click Mount, Acquire, select the mount, and then click the Create Mount and Acquire button in the lower right-hand corner. The window that pops up next will be based on which sensor you're using. Once you've brought the image into one of the folders that has been marked for the automation with Pearl, we'll automatically start making annotations. To bring in additional images, simply continue with your sensor. All of the images brought into the specific folders that you've indicated will start making annotations on the images. To remove or view specific annotations, simply click on the Layers button in the lower left-hand corner. Choose to show or hide pathology, non-pathology, or even show or hide the tooth parts. To completely hide the annotations altogether, select the Hide feature. If you've imported images into a different folder than one that is currently assigned for the integration with Pearl, you will need to click on the Pearl button. Let's show you how to manually add annotations to the images. We'll select a category and create the mount as if we're putting in images that came from a referral source or were sent over by the patient. Because this folder is not marked for the annotations to be an automatic feature, I will need to get my images into the photo grid and then click on the Pearl button itself. This will send the currently displayed images over to the Pearl AI integration and automatically load the annotations on those images. Now let's go over the steps using the BetterDiagnostics feature. Enable the BetterDiagnostics button inside of the imaging module. This will put the button in the top right-hand corner of your screen. From here, you'll click the Mount Acquire, select your mount, and click the Create Mount and Acquire. The window that comes up next will depend on which sensors you're using. Once the image is inside of Open Dental, BetterDiagnostic will automatically start making annotations. To take additional images, continue with your sensor as normal. Once all images are in Open Dental, BetterDiagnostic will automatically start making annotations on the additional images. To view or hide the annotations, simply click on the Layers button in the lower left-hand corner. Choose to show or hide the specific annotations. You can also hide all annotations. If you have imported images from either a referral source or the patient into a folder that is not marked for the automation with BetterDiagnostics, you will need to manually upload those to BetterDiagnostics. To do that, you'll simply select your Mount Acquire, choose your mount. In this case, I'm going to do it as a photo grid so that it stays in my Photos folder. Here, we're going to do Create Mount because I'm not the one taking the images, I'm importing them into the mount. We'll select where we want the image imported into, and then select our image. Because these images are in a folder that's not marked for the automation, we will simply go up to the BetterDiagnostics button and select it. This will send the images to the BetterDiagnostics integration so that the annotations can be populated back into Open Dental. For additional assistance with imaging, please contact your IT support or Open Dental software if it pertains to the Open Dental program.
Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team at 503-363-5432 or click the question mark in any Open Dental window to access our help feature. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest training videos. See you next time.